The following video is a YCM NXV 1020A CNC vertical machining center. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration. This unit is new 2014.
All right, well, we're going to start with the basics. We're going to go ahead and move the axis. Get that going. We're going to do it in manual mode. Go ahead and move the X. Nice and smooth. We'll go ahead and do the Y. Then we'll go ahead and move the Z. Go ahead and use the controller. The X back and forth. Y. Look at our Z. Now we'll go ahead and do a tool change. I'll go ahead and do it again. I'm going to go ahead and run the spindle. It's about 1,000 RPM. We'll start with that. That is 1,000 RPM. It's probably hard to detect. It's super quiet. That is 3,000 RPM. That is 6,000 RPM. That is 9,000 RPM. That is 12,000 RPM.
Again, the preceding video is a YCM NXV 1020A CNC vertical machining center. This unit is new 2014.